My name is France. I've been working at IKEA for a little over a year, and the contest came up. It was a perfect opportunity to take all the things that I see at IKEA and bring it in and be supported by a great store and team. I came into IKEA 3 months before the store opened, so I was there for a lot of the build. It was quite an exciting time. In Nova Scotia, we haven't had IKEA for a long time. When we heard the news they were coming, it was like, I'm going to redo my living room. And then I got a job with IKEA.
First, we asked France how she used her space, and then we asked her how she wanted to use the space.
We've been in it for 26 years, and when you're in a space that long, you kind of get used to it. I really didn't know where to start, so the design team said, go through the store and pick a piece that you love. So we said, well, let's start with a couch. We know we need to replace our couch. We sat on everything, every couch, every style, and we picked the Ektorp sofa. We were very impressed with the quality. We loved the way we felt in it.
So that was our main furniture piece, and then we just went from there. A couple of important things was having some really great open and closed storage solutions, having a really nice flow from the kitchen all the way through to the living room, just really having a really fresh, inviting space for her friends and family. It was really great to go to someone's real house and see how people really live. Collaborating with my team, we were presented with some real-life challenges and we had to come up with some real-life solutions.
The energy here with everybody is fantastic. Just go through the store and find something that you love.
I love the combination of elements that we were able to bring together. We have some traditional things, we have some modern things, a lot of white, a lot of pops of black, and really ties in well together.
I want to have a great big party, invite everybody from the store.
Make room for life!